Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their unabated acts of state terrorism martyred 37 Kashmiris, including 2 women, during the last month of July. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, of those, 8 were killed by the troops in FAC encounters or in custody. During the month, 28 people, including media men, were critically injured after the troops used brute force on peaceful protesters. At least 57 civilians were arrested. Several of them were booked under Black Law Public Safety Act and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The troops also damaged 10 houses in 219 cordon and search operations in the month. Kashmir Media Service, in another analytical report, said that Modi-led fascist regime has made Kashmir in particular and India in general unsafe places for Muslims and other minorities. Since India's independence, it said, Muslims have faced systematic discrimination, prejudice and violence despite constitutional protections. The report pointed out that Modi is shaping India's policy according to the Hindutva dictates, and Muslims and other minorities are living in a perpetual state of fear in India and Kashmir. Meanwhile, the residents of Grace Valley in Bandipora district staged a protest demonstration against the custodial killing of a man by Indian troops inside an army camp in Tarbal area of the district. The victim was identified as 50-year-old Muhammad Abdullah. The protesters told media that Abdullah was called by the army at its Tarbal camp and killed him in custody. The authorities suspended internet services in the area immediately after the killing. Posters appeared today urging people to observe complete shutdown on August 5th and mark the day as Black Day against the illegal and unilateral actions of the Modi regime in the territory. The posters displayed by pro-freedom organizations said that the Kashmiris had rejected illegal, unconstitutional and unilateral moves. Jammu and Kashmir Employees Movement deplored that Indian troops were targeting innocent people in the garb of search operations. The authorities, in a major crackdown on pro-freedom youth, issued orders that prohibit passport clearance and provision of government jobs. CID Special Branch has directed all its units in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to deny security clearance to those involved in pro-freedom activities. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, talking to reporters in Pulwama, said Modi regime is trying to break the PDP by either offering the party leaders something or using its agencies to intimidate them. She added that PDP is resisting the moves of the Indian government in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Speakers at a meeting of political, religious and social parties in Muzaffarabad, Azad Jammu and Kashmir today slammed the coercive measures taken by the Modi regime in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. And in a cruel and inhuman act, Indian security force Seema Suraksha Bal personnel cut down the twin rope through which a Nepali man was crossing the Mahakali River in far west Nepal on Friday. According to District Police Office Darchula, the man, namely Jai Singh Dhami, went missing after falling into the river. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening to Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.